Convoluted. The word convoluted is an adjective that describes something that is complex, intricate, or difficult to understand. It is often used to describe ideas, arguments, or explanations that are excessively complicated or confusing. Here are a few examples to help illustrate the meaning of convoluted. 1. The professor's lecture on quantum physics was so convoluted that most of the students struggled to follow along. In this example, the lecture was overly complicated and difficult to comprehend, making it challenging for the students to understand. 2. The novel had a convoluted plot with multiple twists and turns, making it hard to predict the outcome. This sentence suggests that the story had a complex and intricate plotline, making it challenging for readers to anticipate what would happen next. 3. The instructions for assembling the furniture were so convoluted that I had to seek help from a professional. This sentence implies that the instructions were excessively complicated and confusing, to the point where the person couldn't complete the task without assistance. 4. The politician's speech was filled with convoluted arguments that made it difficult to discern his actual stance on the issue. Here, the speaker's arguments were overly complex and confusing, making it hard for the audience to understand the politician's true position. Overall, convoluted is used to describe something that is excessively intricate or confusing, making it challenging for people to comprehend or follow.